boys and girls, and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. To join in with this lesson properly, you're going to need your digit cards, your tens frame and some counting objects. I'm going to be using counters today, but you can use anything you've got in the house. You could use dried pasta, some cereal, some small rocks or anything else you've got in the house. Just make sure that it's small enough to fit on your tens frame properly. Pause the video whilst you go and get everything you need. Okay. Now you've got everything you need, let's get started. We'll start with some counting. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to start with some counting today. We're going to count all the way up to 20. To help you, you can use one of the number lines from your workpack. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pause the video and have a go again. Practice as many times as you like. Okay, to do this part of the lesson, you're going to need your digit cards, your tens frame and your counting objects. I'm going to say a number. You need to find that digit card and then you need to make it on your tens frame. Last week we looked at making numbers on our tens frame pairs-wise. This is the method I'd like you to do today. Okay, are you ready? Find the number 6. Quickly find that digit card and make it on your tens frame. Can you make your number pairs-wise? Have a look carefully. Do you think the number is odd or even? Here is my number 6. I've made it pairs-wise. I can see the number 6 is even. I can see this because each counter has a pair. There's not a counter left by itself. This shows me that number 6 is even. Okay, let's do another one. Show me the number 4. Quickly find that digit card as fast as you can. Now make it on your tens frame. Try and make it pairs-wise, like I just showed you. Have you made the number 4? If you need a bit longer, pause the video. Do you think it's odd or even? Here's 4 counters on my tens frame. I've put them on pairs-wise. Do you think it's odd or even? I can see the number 4 is an even number. I can see this because each counter has a pair. Each counter has a friend. There's no counter left by itself. It's an even number. Okay, let's do one more. Show me the number 3. Have you found it on your digit cards? Well done. Now make it on your tens frame. Can you make it pairs-wise like we've just done? Have you made the number 3 on your tens frame? If not, pause the video now to give yourself more time. Here is my number 3 on my tens frame. I've got 3 counters. Have a look carefully. Do you think it's odd or is it even? That's right, it's an odd number. Number 3 is odd. It looks a bit different to our even numbers, doesn't it? We can see that 3 is odd because we can't put it in a pair. There's 2 counters with a buddy and then there's 1 counter all by itself. Number 3 is an odd number. Okay, it's now time for you to practice by yourself. To play this game, you're going to need your digit cards, your counting objects and your tens frame. What I'd like you to do is turn your digit cards upside down and move them around so you can't tell which card is which. You're then going to pick one and turn it over. Quick as you can, you're going to make that number on your tens frame with your counting objects. Use our pairs-wise method that we've been practicing today to find out if the number is odd or even. Once you've had a go at playing this game, you'll then be ready to complete the work in your workpack. Have fun, boys and girls. Bye!